Hey guys, my name is Devin Eekhoff, and I am a football coach here at Dort. I get to coach the running backs and tight ends. A little bit of background for me: I went to Dort for 4 years, from 2015 to 2019. Got to play football here. Got to kind of be a part of the change in Dort football, so that was a really cool thing to be a part of. And then about my junior year, I decided that instead of taking my secondary ed history degree and being a high school football coach, that I wanted to pursue college coaching and getting into that. And so I started kind of working with the coaches and doing some little things like tagging film or helping on visit days, and then luckily enough was able to get hired on, and Coach Penner um, hired me on, and I'm super lucky for that. Love the coaches I get to work with. Coach Penner's an amazing guy, and Coach Mingo, Coach Nutt, and then Coach Endemano, Coach Pillow, Coach Dickerson. I get to work with all of them, and they're all amazing guys. So I absolutely love my job. Love being here at Dort, and can't wait to see kind of where this coaching thing goes. Really excited for this class. I'm excited to continue to dive into, how to just be a great coach. And I think there's a lot of things that, I learned through my education degree that go into being a good coach. But I think throughout this master's program, I've gotten to kind of dive into more of a coaching emphasis and how I work with athletes and how I communicate and all of that, and how, just how to be a great coach. And I'm excited to continue that. I'm excited to continue to learn and get to learn with all of you guys. My background, like I said, I went to Dort. Both my parents came to Dort. I'm originally from West Michigan. My dad is from about 2 hours east of Dort, a little town called Kanawha. My mom's from West Michigan. They met here. And so I originally said I would never come to Dort. Wasn't following my family here. Came on a visit and ended up loving it and eating my words. But I have three sisters. My youngest sister is coming to Dort next year. My middle sister is at Trinity Christian in Chicago, and my oldest sister is in Malacca, Minnesota. She's a special ed teacher up there, and we're all really close. I'm the protective brother, so that's a lot running around with them. My dad is a farmer in Michigan. We run a family dairy. They produce their own milk, ice cream, cheese, everything. And my mom runs the store there. And so that's kind of what they do. I'm lucky enough to be marrying my best friend, the most beautiful woman in the world. But she is up in Canada right now. She's originally from Canada. We met at Dort. And then, so right now we're separated from coronavirus and the border being closed. Really praying that the border opens. We're supposed to have a wedding up there July 11th. So would appreciate you guys' prayers as well, for the border to open, or for God to have a miracle and me be able to get up there for our wedding, because we're pretty sick of not being together. But really excited to learn with you guys, really excited for this class.